I'm here today at Cmpl, and I think it's a great show. This is my second time at Cmpl, and we've ended up finding some very good suppliers, and I look forward to coming here more.
Any new brand, any new label who wants to see come and explore different type of manufacturers, this is the place they should come. Excellent opportunity to grow your brand when it comes to contract manufacturing.
Cmpl being Asia's largest expo, we are participating for the second time in Cmpl, and this time we are in Delhi. Has been fantastic. This is day 2, looking forward towards a fantastic day 2. Yesterday day 1 was pretty exciting. We got over 500 leads.
Gave us an opportunity to brand ourselves as well, where the focus is completely on contract manufacturing. For us it was a great opportunity, and then we've grown in this journey for last 3 years.
A wonderful opportunity to come here and experience the exhibitors. It's a need of an hour. Most of the progressive organizations are moving towards co-packers, evaluating different ideas, innovation, wherein you will get those innovations here.